In this tutorial, we are going to manage our CX mailbox using the telephony or touch-tone interface. Once your CX mailbox is set up, you have a fairly simple and easy to remember menu system, as simple as 1, 2, 3. 1 to get messages, 2 to send a message, and 3 to change your mailbox settings. In general, star is to go backwards, pound is to enter or request help. And as always, if you do nothing, the system will prompt you with a menu of items that you can choose at that particular stage in your mailbox management or wherever you are in your mailbox. When you log into your mailbox, you will be offered any new messages. At that point, simply follow the prompts. If there are no messages, press 5 to access your saved and read messages. Let's see this in action.
Please enter your security code. You have one new message and one saved message. To listen to new messages, press 1. To record and send a message, press 2. For phone manager functions, press 3. To listen to saved messages, press 5. To quit, press the star key. Unread messages.
This is a test message so that we can see what it sounds like to listen to a mailbox that has new messages.
To delete this message, press 4. To reply to this message, press 8. To save this message, press 5. To forward this message, press 2. To review this message, press 6. This message has been deleted. You have no more new messages. To record and send a message, press 2. For phone manager functions, press 3. To listen to saved messages, press 5. To retrieve deleted messages, press 7. To quit, press the star key.
To send a message, press 2. The system will record your message and then ask you to address it. Let's try this.
You have no new messages and one saved message. To record and send a message, press 2. For phone manager functions, press 3. To listen to saved messages, press 5. To quit, press the star key. At the tone, please record your message. To stop recording, press 2. To send this message, press the # key.
This is a test message. I'm just seeing how I can save a message.
To continue recording, press 2. To send this message, press the #. Enter an address. To erase this message, press star twice. This message will be sent to
Forrest Gump.
Enter another address. To send your message, press the # key. Message sent.
Mailbox settings can be changed by pressing 3. There are easy to remember commands to record your regular, busy, and out-of-office greetings. They are 3 for mailbox settings, followed by a 4, 5, or 6. 4 for regular greeting, 5 for a busy greeting, and 6 for the out-of-office greeting. A couple of things to remember when you are managing your mailbox. The first is, you don't need to listen to the entire menu if you know which digits to press. You can simply press 3, followed by the sequence of digits to change whatever you need to change in your mailbox. The other thing is, if you are not allowed something, like if you are not allowed a busy greeting or not allowed an out-of-office greeting, you will not be given the prompts to be able to record those greetings or access any of those features. If you go to try that, the system will tell you that you are not allowed to do this. So let's change our busy greeting. This will mean we'll log in and we'll dial 3 followed by 5.
You have no new messages and one saved message. Start recording your greeting at the tone. To stop recording, press any key.
Hi, this is Pat Haney, and I'm sorry I'm on the phone right now. Please leave a message and I can return your call after I'm finished with the call that I am on.
To save your busy greeting, press 5. The recording has been saved. For personal options, press 1. For messaging options, press 2. To record your standard greeting, press 4. To record your busy greeting, press 5. To record your out-of-office greeting, press 6. To quit Phone Manager, press the star key. To record and send at any time during the... Thank you for calling.
Now the 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6 are a shortcut to recording your greetings. You can also go through the regular Phone Manager settings to be able to record those greetings by pressing a 3 and then following the prompts to go to, say, the greeting that you want to record. So let's call in and record an out-of-office greeting.
You have no new messages and one saved message. To record and send a message, press 2. For Phone Manager functions, press 3. For personal options, press 1. For messaging options, press 2. To record your standard greeting, press 4. To record your busy greeting, press 5. To record your out-of-office greeting, press 6. To change immediate message notification, press 1. To change the daily message reminder, press 2. To record a personal greeting, press 3. To record the greeting to be used when your extension is busy, press 1. To record the greeting to be used for all other conditions, press 2. To record and set your out-of-office greeting, press 3. The current recording is...
You've reached the mailbox of Pat Haney, and I'm out of the office this week. I will return Monday, July 25th. If you need assistance, press 0 now. Otherwise, leave a message, and I will return your call when I return to the office.
To discard the current recording, press 4. The recording has been discarded. To change immediate message notification, press 1. To change the daily message reminder, press 2. To record a personal greeting, press 3. To record the greeting to be used when your extension is busy, press 1. Nothing is currently recorded. To start recording, press 2.
Hi, you've reached the voicemail of Pat Haney, and I am out of the office until Monday, July 18th. Please leave a message at the tone, and I will return your call when I return to the office. Otherwise, you may press 0 for the operator.
To continue recording, press 2. To save this message, press 5. The recording has been saved. Your out-of-office greeting is on. To change immediate message notification, press 1. To record at any time during this, thank you for calling.
So notice, by recording an out-of-office greeting, our out-of-office greeting is now on. So now every time we log in, the system will tell us that our out-of-office status is on and give us an opportunity to take out-of-office status off.
Please enter your security code. Your out-of-office greeting is on. To remove your out-of-office greeting, press 4. Your out-of-office greeting is off. You have no new messages and 1 saved message. To record and send a message, press 2. For phone manager functions, press 3. To listen to saved messages, press 5. To quit, press the star key.
To change mailbox options, you press 3, followed by a 1 for your personal options. To record a password, you press 314, and then we can simply change our password.
To enter a new security code, followed by the # key. For confirmation, enter your new security code again. Your security code has been changed. To change immediate message notification, press 1.
So you see, it's fairly easy to manage your CX mailbox using the telephony interface. If you don't know what to do, simply press # for help or simply wait, and the system will tell you what to do.